Did you know that Islamabad is one of the youngest capital cities in the world? Despite its youth, it has quickly grown into a vibrant and dynamic metropolis, capturing the essence of modern Pakistan. Established in the 1960s, Islamabad is a city brimming with life and ambition. It was meticulously planned to replace Karachi as the capital, aiming to reflect the diversity and aspirations of the nation. Nestled against the backdrop of the majestic Margala Hills, Islamabad offers a unique blend of natural beauty and modern urban planning. The hills not only provide a stunning visual but also serve as a natural sanctuary for wildlife and a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Join me as we delve into the heart of Pakistan's capital city and uncover the exciting developments shaping its present and future. From its inception, Islamabad was designed to be a symbol of progress and innovation. Islamabad is a city in constant motion, gracefully balancing its role as a center of political power with a vibrant cultural scene and a rapidly growing economy. The city is home to numerous government buildings, foreign embassies, and international organizations, making it a hub of diplomatic activity. From the iconic Faisal Mosque, one of the largest mosques in the world, to the bustling markets of F6 Markaz, Islamabad offers a glimpse into the soul of Pakistan. The mosque, with its striking architecture, stands as a testament to the country's rich Islamic heritage. In the following sections, we will explore the challenges and triumphs of this dynamic city, delving into its environmental initiatives, technological advancements, and the unique cultural tapestry that makes Islamabad a truly captivating destination. The city's commitment to sustainability is evident in its numerous green projects and parks. Get ready to discover the hidden gems and the modern marvels of Islamabad, a city that is quickly becoming a must-see destination in South Asia. From serene parks and hiking trails to cutting-edge technology hubs and cultural festivals, Islamabad has something for everyone. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or a tech enthusiast, this city promises an unforgettable experience. Islamabad's story is one of ambition and progress. Nestled against the backdrop of the Margala Hills, this city is a testament to visionary planning and thoughtful execution. Designed by Greek architect Konstantinos Apostolou Doxiadis, the city boasts a modern grid system that prioritizes green spaces and efficient infrastructure. This meticulous planning ensures that every sector of the city is easily accessible and well-connected, fostering a sense of community and convenience. Wide avenues lined with trees and well-maintained parks are a testament to Islamabad's commitment to creating a harmonious balance between urban development and natural beauty. These green spaces not only provide recreational areas for residents, but also contribute to the city's overall environmental health. One of the most striking features of Islamabad is its architectural diversity. The cityscape is a blend of modern and traditional styles, reflecting the rich cultural tapestry of Pakistan. From the modernist Faisal Mosque, a masterpiece of contemporary Islamic architecture, which stands as a beacon of spiritual and architectural excellence, to the imposing Parliament House, a symbol of Pakistan's democracy and political aspirations, each structure tells a story of the nation's journey. Islamabad's skyline is a blend of tradition and modernity. The juxtaposition of sleek, modern buildings with traditional architectural elements creates a unique and visually appealing urban landscape. The city is also home to numerous museums, art galleries, and cultural centers that showcase the rich heritage of Pakistan. These institutions play a crucial role in preserving and promoting the country's cultural legacy. The Lok Versa Museum, for instance, offers a fascinating journey through the country's cultural history, featuring exhibits that highlight the diverse traditions and customs of Pakistan's various regions. While the Pakistan National Monument stands as a tribute to the nation's heroes and its struggle for independence, this iconic structure symbolizes the unity and resilience of the Pakistani people. As Islamabad continues to evolve, it remains committed to its founding principles of modernity, sustainability, and cultural preservation. The city is actively engaged in sustainable development projects that aim to reduce its carbon footprint and promote eco-friendly practices, making it a fascinating case study for urban development in the 21st century. With its blend of historical significance and forward-thinking initiatives, Islamabad stands as a model for cities around the world, striving to achieve a balance between growth and sustainability. Islamabad is often referred to as the Green City of Pakistan, and for good reason. Nestled at the foot of the majestic Margala Hills, The city is a sanctuary of lush landscapes and verdant spaces. Unlike many urban centers that are dominated by concrete jungles, Islamabad stands out with its commitment to maintaining a balance between development and nature. The city is blessed with an abundance of parks, gardens, and natural trails, providing a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle of urban life. Whether it's a morning jog, an evening stroll, or a weekend picnic, these green spaces offer something for everyone. Families, fitness enthusiasts, and nature lovers all find solace in the city's numerous parks. The Margalla Hills National Park, a sprawling green expanse that borders the city, is a testament to Islamabad's commitment to preserving its natural heritage. Covering an area of over 17,000 hectares, the park is a haven for biodiversity. It is home to a variety of wildlife, including leopards, barking deer, and a plethora of bird species. Here, visitors can enjoy breathtaking views of the city while hiking through pine forests, encountering a variety of flora and fauna along the way. The trails range from easy walks to challenging hikes, catering to all levels of adventurers. The serene environment and the fresh mountain air make it a perfect escape from the city's hustle. The park is also home to the Daman Eco Viewpoint, which offers panoramic vistas of Islamabad and its surroundings. This popular spot is a must-visit for anyone looking to capture the beauty of the city from above. The viewpoint is especially enchanting during sunrise and sunset, when the city is bathed in golden hues. Islamabad's commitment to greenery extends beyond its parks and natural reserves. The city's planners have ensured that green belts and tree-lined streets are an integral part of the urban landscape. These green corridors not only enhance the city's aesthetic appeal, but also contribute to a healthier environment by reducing pollution and providing shade. The city boasts a well-maintained network of green belts and roundabouts adorned with colorful flowers, adding to its charm and aesthetic appeal. These vibrant spots are meticulously cared for, reflecting the city's dedication to maintaining its green character. Seasonal flowers bloom in a riot of colors, making every drive through the city a visual delight. The Rose and Jasmine Garden, a sprawling park dedicated to these fragrant blooms, is a popular destination for residents and visitors alike. Spanning over 20 acres, the garden features a stunning array of roses and jasmine, creating a sensory feast for visitors. It's a perfect spot for photography, leisurely walks, and simply soaking in the beauty of nature. As Islamabad continues to grow, its green spaces will play an increasingly important role in maintaining the city's air quality, providing recreational opportunities for its residents, and preserving its unique character as a city in harmony with nature. These green lungs are vital for the well-being of the city's inhabitants, offering a sanctuary where they can reconnect with nature and find peace amidst the urban sprawl. The future of Islamabad's greenery looks promising, with ongoing efforts to expand and enhance these natural treasures. Islamabad is a city that never stands still. With a rapidly growing population and a dynamic economy, the city is constantly evolving to meet the needs of its residents. One of the most significant developments in recent years has been the expansion of Islamabad's public transportation system. The Metrobus network, which connects various parts of the city, has significantly eased traffic congestion and provided a convenient and affordable mode of transportation for commuters. Plans are also underway to further expand the metro network, connecting Islamabad to its twin city, Rawalpindi. In addition to public transportation, Islamabad is also investing heavily in infrastructure projects aimed at improving connectivity and enhancing the quality of life for its residents. New roads, bridges, and flyovers are being constructed to ease traffic flow, while efforts are underway to improve waste management, water supply, and other essential services. Islamabad's commitment to progress is evident in its ambitious development plans. The city is striving to become a model for sustainable urban development, incorporating smart technologies and innovative solutions to address the challenges of a growing metropolis. In recent years, Islamabad has embraced the digital age with open arms. The city is rapidly evolving into a hub for tech startups and innovation. From co-working spaces to tech incubators, the digital landscape here is thriving. And it's not just about technology. It's about creating a community of forward thinkers and problem solvers. The future of Islamabad is, undoubtedly, digital. Islamabad is a city that has managed to balance growth with sustainability. Over the years, it has seen significant development, yet it remains committed to preserving its natural beauty. The city planners have worked tirelessly to ensure that green spaces are maintained and urban sprawl is kept in check. This delicate balance between progress and preservation is what makes Islamabad truly unique. The cultural landscape of Islamabad is as diverse as its population. From traditional music and dance to contemporary art and theater, the city offers a rich tapestry of cultural experiences. Festivals celebrating the arts, literature, and heritage are a regular feature, drawing people from all walks of life. The vibrant cultural scene is a testament to the city's evolving identity, blending modernity with tradition. Islamabad is a city of contrasts. Modern skyscrapers stand alongside historical landmarks, and bustling markets coexist with serene parks. This juxtaposition of the old and the new creates a dynamic urban environment. The city's architecture reflects this blend, with sleek modern buildings and traditional Mughal-inspired structures. It's a place where you can experience the best of both worlds, all in one city. There's so much more to Islamabad than what meets the eye. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or a culture enthusiast, the city has something to offer everyone. So, why not come and discover Islamabad for yourself? Experience its beauty, its culture, and its unique charm. You might just find that this city has a special place in your heart.